brilliant boy sat on the couch, eyes glued to his shiny tablet. Beep, beep, the game lit up his little face.
Mom Rabbit walked in, carrying laundry. She paused. Bunny hadn't moved all day. She placed her hand on his shoulder and said kindly,
Oh my God.
Time to stop now, Anne.
but Bunny shook his head.
Just one more game, please.
He begged. Squirrel, holding a ball and smiling. But Bunny frowned.
I'm busy.
He muttered, gripping his tablet tightly. Mom Rabbit folded her arms. Bunny's eyes blinked tiredly. He was getting screen sick. Oh no, the tablet went black. The battery was dead.
Bunny peeked through the window outside. Squirrel tossed his ball in the sunny park. Put the dead tablet aside and stepped to the door. Squirrel beamed and tossed him the ball.
In the bright green park, Bunny ran clumsily at first, but soon he was laughing out loud.
Oops! Bunny tripped, but Squirrel helped him up, and both burst into giggles.
Bunny's face lit up with joy.
This is way more fun than a screen.
He cheered happily.
Screens can be fun, but playing outside is healthier and so much happier.
For more fun stories, don't forget to like and subscribe to Happy Bunny Tales. Bye-bye.